Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Vans and welcome to our video of this 2018 18 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a 2 litre BiTDi short wheelbase DSG 4Motion. So it's the holy grail, it's got everything. 4-wheel drive, the big horsepower at the 204. And this has got loads of factory options added, plus some really nice extra bits added on afterwards. As you can see, it's got the Sportline kit at the front with gloss black detail to the grills, LED headlights, expensive option. It's also got the front parking sensors. This vehicle's done 21,000 miles, deep black pearl paintwork. As you can see, paintwork in superb order. There's the odd small touch in around the vehicle as you'd expect at 20,000 miles. But beautifully straight down the sides, no dents, absolutely no evidence of any previous repairs to the vehicle. And it's wearing these quite unique 21-inch Bentley style alloy wheels, gloss black with a polished face. As you can see behind there, it's got the gloss yellow calipers. A nice contrast with the chrome trapezoid sidebars, full privacy tints to the rear glass. It's worth noting the detail here. The black pack even extends to the wing mirror surrounds. So moving inside, we've got the comfort dash. This one also has factory heated seats and the Discover Media navigation system. It's been fully retrimmed in bespoke black premium leather with contrasting R's and stitching. Just show you the condition of the seats there. They're in superb order as well. So moving into the rear, got a 2+1 seating system. So this does lever up, and it's also got the removable Volkswagen bulkhead in. So this, I have to say, does make a huge amount of difference to the sound that you hear in the cab. From the back, it just blocks it all out, but of course just restricts access through this way. However, it's only held in by about 8 screws, so you can take that out anytime and create a full walk-through van if you wish to do so. It's worth noting as well, been fully carpet lined. Got the faux suede roof lining with integral LEDs. And also a fitted carpet mat on the floor. Now this has got the power latching doors, so as you put it close, you can hear there it just pulls the door in. And I can't stress enough just how good the paintwork is on this van. With black ones, it's always so easy for them to get chipped and marked up, and this is really in super order. So with the wheels, just show you a close-up here. Calipers as well, all in good order. Now moving around the back, it's got the Sportline rear spoiler. And this one also has the factory-fitted reversing camera. We've got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector on here, just stop any scrapes, and a detachable tow bar. Now it's worth noting, there's been one small touch up just here on the bumper. And in the rear, superbly clean area. Fully carpet lined both sides. And the rubber low floor. Boot is power latching too. Again, driver's side, lovely straight dent free. Show you along the panels individually. And the wheels again. Twin sliding doors on this one as well. And this is the view that really sells it with this one. Stands so well on the lowering springs with those sidebars, kit and the 21-inch wheels. We can add roof rails if you like. It's not an expensive option. Just let us know if you want them on. Now, other bits that it's got, we've got power folding mirrors, again a factory option. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise. And the mileage today, 21,557. Service history is up to date and it does benefit from Volkswagen warranty until March 2021. That's full Volkswagen roadside assistance too. So to summarise, we've got a 4Motion bi-turbo DSG short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter. Huge amount of spec, both from the factory and added afterwards. Super condition, all serviced up to date and ready to go. Now we welcome a part exchange and we do offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, please either drop us a line or get in touch through email or our social media and we'd love to discuss it with you. Thanks for watching.